What's up? This is gonna be a quick segment on functions in Python. You can do, you can pretty much set up a pre-made function and then put parameters in it later and call that function whenever you want. I'm also gonna be doing lambda functions, which is pretty much the same thing, except it's kind of like a shorthand version, which I've actually used before, and I can get a standard function to work wherever I needed it to. So we're gonna start by clearing the screen. In Linux, it's Control L, and let's just make a simple function. So let's call it print hey. Now this is a pretty stupid function, but we're not gonna put any arguments for this one. We'll do that in the next one. So all we're gonna do is make it print hey. So in most languages, this would be pretty much like a procedure. But functions and procedures are pretty much the same thing in this language, because you can do a procedure, just pretty much a function with no arguments, and then you can actually do something with arguments. So now let's just make a how about print? Yeah, let's just call it def print, and then we'll call this name. And then what we're gonna do with this function, yeah, I didn't think we could do that. How about print name? Now this is a pretty stupid function too as far as practicality goes, but it will demonstrate the idea of functions and arguments. So let's just print name. So now what you can do is print name, and then let's make it print my name. So let's do Jesse. Okay. So it just is a print statement. You can do more than argument, more than that too. You can do whatever you want. Let's just let's make a function called add stuff. Okay, so num1, num2. So that's how you put more than one. Okay, so now let's do add stuff, and then do 5, 8. So it's gonna add 5. Oh, that'd be kind of pointless. My bad. Here we go. Let's do num1 plus num2. Okay. So now let's do add stuff, and then do 1, 8. So output is 9. Let's make it return. Yeah, let's just make it and okay, return. So what return does, it'll actually return that value. So this is going to kind of turn into the value num1 plus num2. So now let's do our add stuff, and it's going to return us 9. So we can actually say 5 plus this for some reason if we wanted to. Okay, now let's do lambdas. So lambda x, and then you can say like x times 5 or something, and then we can call this lambda degree 5 equals, and then we can say degree 5, and then we can call our whatever we want our x value to be. So let's do 1 in the 5th, 2 in the 5th. We can keep doing that too. I believe you can do more than one argument too. So let's just do the same thing we did before for add stuff. So add stuff is going to be equal to lambda num1 comma num2, and then it's going to take num1 plus num2, and then let's do add stuff, and then let's put our parameters in, and it printed off 9. And that's a short tutorial on lambda operators as well as functions, which are very, very, very useful. Peace out.